In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone using Payroll in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up payroll, add employees, run payroll, handle taxes, and pull the key reports you need to stay compliant and organized. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account and head to Payroll from the left menu. If this is your first time setting it up, click Get Started. You'll be prompted for business details like your EIN, address, and tax information. Take your time here. Accurate entries prevent costly payroll and filing errors later. During setup, you can also begin adding employees. Have their full legal name, home address, whether they're salaried or hourly, and their W-4 tax details ready. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, follow the prompts to set that up. It's optional, but it saves time and reduces check handling. Make sure bank information is entered carefully to avoid delays. Next, go to Payroll, then Employees, to add or update team members. Click Add an Employee and fill in their pay rate, the pay schedule you use, weekly, bi-weekly, or another frequency, their tax withholding details, and bank information for direct deposit if you're using it. Confirm whether they're hourly or salary so calculations are correct, and double-check numbers before you click Save. Matching the pay schedule to your real-world calendar helps with consistent cash flow and deadlines. When you're ready to pay, go to Payroll, then run payroll. Choose the correct pay schedule and enter hours for hourly workers. For salaried employees, QuickBooks will pre-fill their pay based on what you saved. Review everything carefully: wages, taxes, and any deductions. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and other deductions you've set up. Look over overtime, paid time off, or adjustments if they apply, and confirm the pay date shown is the one you intend to use. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. If you're using direct deposit, be mindful of bank cutoff times so employees are paid on the expected date. For payroll taxes, go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Review the amounts due and click Pay if automatic payments are enabled for your account. Depending on your subscription and settings, QuickBooks can also file and pay taxes for you. Just ensure e-file and e-pay are turned on if you want that convenience. Finally, to keep records tidy, open reports and search for payroll summary, payroll details, and the tax liability report. Filter by the correct date range, then download or print as needed. That's it. You've paid your team through QuickBooks,